It's a what?
Monster truck birthday whip.
Monster truck birthday cake?
No, monster truck birthday whip.
Okay.
Jump up and do those cars. Jump up high.
Yeah.
Oh, where they live right there.
They jump up high and land right here?
Yeah.
Yeah? What about the cake? What kind of cake?
Can you go right there? My eat it gone.
The cake's gonna be right here till you eat it all gone?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's my big old monster truck birthday cake.
A monster truck birthday cake?
Yeah, my eat it gone.
You're gonna eat it all gone?
Yeah, I need.
How many monster trucks you want on it?
My motor. My motor. That's a whip.
Huh?
That's a whip. Touch those cars. Go back up and up. Or go up high. Or go down.
Yeah?
Yeah, Dad. There's hole down there.
There's a hole down there?
Yeah.
Look,
the car says to go.
How many kids are coming?
Kids come and get me hugs.
Kids are coming to give you hugs?
Yeah.
For your birthday?
Yeah.
What kind? What kids are coming? Who's coming?
Mine. Coming. My kids coming out of the car. Mom, go, gone.
Yeah, but who's coming?
Come on.
No, just tell me. What kids do you want to come?
Mine was 2 kids.
2 kids?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, mine 1, 2, 3.
3?
Mine was.
Who are these kids?
Who's coming?
1 kid.
Hey.
1 kid.
Is Sissy coming?
Yeah, kid is coming.
Who else?
Make me monster birthday party cake.
Who else is coming?
Daddy's coming to make me monster truck.
Daddy's coming?
Daddy's coming to make me monster truck birthday cake.
Is any more kids coming?
Yeah.
Who?
What did that happen? This kid knocking.
No, there's nobody knocking. What kids are coming?
Mine kids. 1,
Who?
2.
Is Marissa coming?
Yeah, let's go to make me monster truck.
Marissa's coming. What about Uncle Neil?
Uncle Neil hold my motorbike.
Uncle Neil's coming with your monster truck bike?
No, my motorbike.
Oh, your motorbike.
My
What about Uriah?
My yaya.
Yeah, is he coming?
Coming this side. Car get buckled. Mine get buckled.
You're gonna get buckled in the car?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Get buckled. Big car. My bike.
Yeah?
My push a button.
You push a button?
Yeah.
What's the button do?
Oh. Lamp car. My push. Yeah, my push. Yeah, that.
We're going to have a pinata.
We're gonna have a pinata? You're gonna hit it and candy fall out?
Yeah.
Yeah? What kind of pinata you want?
Put on a bomb. Mine was a Batman one.
You want a Batman one?
Yeah, mine was Batman bag. Mine hit it. Open. Mine okay.
It's gonna fall out of it and just all over the ground?
And my case.
Yeah?
Look it on the couch. Oh my god. My mom's birthday cake. Oh my god. My birthday cake.
Your monster truck birthday cake? Oh my god.
Oh my mother truck birthday cake. Daddy, make me one.
I gotta make it?
Daddy, let's go. Hi.
I think mommy's gonna make it. That's mommy's department.
Let's go.
We're not doing it just yet. Come back up here and talk to me some more.
Okay. Oh my god.
So tell me more about this birthday.
Oh my god.
You're done?
Yeah.
Okay.